I come again on how blood sacrifice originated in Africa and Igbo land. Animal blood sacrifice. We're going to talk about how to use birds to sacrifice to God. Africans and Igbo race has been doing this many years ago, not knowing that what they are doing originated from the God of Abraham. In the book of Leviticus chapter 1 verse 14, if the burnt sacrifice for his offering to the Lord be of fowl, then he shall bring his offering of turtle dove or of young pigeon, and the priest shall bring it out unto the altar and wring off his head and burn it on the altar. Verse 16, and he shall pluck away his crop with his feathers and cast it beside the altar on the east part by the place of the ashes. This means that if you go to African idol worshipping communities or Igbo idol worshipping communities today, you will see that when they want to kill a fowl in the shrine for the idol, they will bring the fowl, and the chief priest in that shrine will use his hand and pull off the head of that fowl. That is what they learned from the God of Abraham. Secondly, the priest will also pull off the feathers of that chicken and throw it by the east side of the altar on top of the blood where he has sprinkled the blood of the fowl. Now, what does this signify? It signifies that they want the gods to forgive sin. They didn't know that it originated from the Bible, from the instructions given to Moses by the God of Abraham. Now, today, they have polluted it in Igbo land. They have polluted this culture in Africa by offering these sacrifices to idols instead of God of Abraham. Brothers and sisters, I remain your friend, Bob Enemchukwu, bringing you stories, histories about the origin of African culture and Igbo culture in particular. Have a nice day.